Hello, today we're going to look at the BU353-NC USB-C GPS receiver by GlobalSat. It is their new product. As you can see in the box, it shows the product. It shows that it's USB Type-C. It's a white box that has stats on the side, specs on the back, and then it can connect to Linux, Mac, Android, and Windows. Also, the website is right here. So what comes inside is the main unit, which shows the name right here. And as you can see, it is USB Type-C. Also inside is the user manual, which goes step by step on how to install the device, and also has the website on there. And last thing they have is a suction cup. So in order to use your BU353-NC, today I'm going to show you how to use it on Windows. If you need help with Android, you can send them an email. They should give you the app in order to use this device. And then if you need help with Mac, you can also send them an email. But I will show you how to use it on Windows. So first, you need to connect your device to your laptop or PC. Once connected, it will download the driver automatically through the internet, or you can go to their website, which is globalsat.com.tw. On here, you can go to support. And since they all use the same driver, you can go to BU353N. Once you click it, this page will show up, and here you can download the driver. And then you can also download the GPS info tool just to test the device. So once you downloaded the driver, plug in the device, go to your search and click Device Manager. It should come up. And then connect your device. As you see, once the device is connected, it should be right here where it says ports, COM, and LPT. And it should say Prolific PL2303GC, and it will also show a COM port number. So back on this page, click GPS info tool for Windows. Once you downloaded it, open up the application, more info, run anyway. Make sure to select the same COM port that shows on Device Manager. So 4, right here, 4, and then the baud rate is 4800. So you will click Start GPS. As you can see, we can see NMEA data. And right here, once the bars are blue, it means the GPS is connected to satellites. As you can see on the device, once it's blinking, it means it has a GPS fix. If it is solid red, it means it does not have a GPS fix, and it's recommended to put this device by a window or an open sky. Once you have this open and you see the device is connected and has satellites, you can close the GPS info and then open your navigational software, select the correct COM port, and it should be working.